In 2012, René Limmacher took over Niederberger Transport in Alpnach in central Switzerland. Specializing in the distribution of natural rocks of various types and dimensions, the company relies on high-performance MEILLER tipping semi-trailers, which travel between 500 and 700 kilometers per day. We are located here in the Kipper quarry, above the village of Alpnach in Switzerland. We are regularly here, loading rocks for flood protection, landscaping and slope stabilization. The rocks we load here are mostly between 1 and 3 tons each, but there are also larger ones, up to 5 or 6 tons.
Es gibt aber auch größere bis 5-6 Tonnen und dazu brauchen wir natürlich geeignetes.
And of course we need a suitable vehicle. We decided in favor of MEILLER. The reason is the robust design of the tipper bodies and the smart board, which enables the driver to read the weights. In many cases, to obtain the weighing slip, the scales where the weight is measured are down in the valley, and the loading point is in the quarry. In this instance, the smart board allows us to save the journey up to the quarry.
Das ermöglicht uns dann, den Weg hinaufbeladen zu ersparen. Was die Fahrer auch sehr stark.
What the drivers really appreciate is the access ladder to the tipper body. They can stand there in a safe position and give the machine operator instructions on where there's still room for rocks during loading. Our trucks take the north-south axis from German-speaking Switzerland down to Ticino, over the mountains. In Ticino, we mainly load granite and gneiss rocks, which are then used for flood protection throughout German-speaking Switzerland. The smooth running of the tipping semi-trailer is excellent. The semi-trailers from MEILLER are robustly built and can optimally cope with the heavy demands of daily use. If the large rocks have been carefully loaded beforehand, unloading is short and heavy and puts the material to the test.